Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from WIKO View Go to Samsung device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. You need to go with Receive on Samsung, and now we have to wait for this one to download, so we can open it and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow. This time you need to go with Send over here on WIKO and tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, tap Send and choose Garrett. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here on Samsung. Then choose while using the app and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into My Files, select in my case Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!